Hi there. Welcome to the first episode of our course, Biology Made Simple. Today, we're answering a big question: what is biology, and why does it matter? Biology is the science of life. It explores everything living, from tiny bacteria to complex human beings. Cells, genes, organs, ecosystems, it's all biology. Think about it. When you breathe, eat, grow, or heal, those are biological processes. When doctors treat illnesses, they rely on biology. Even growing a plant at home is biology in action. Understanding biology helps us take care of our health, make smarter choices, and appreciate the world around us, from our bodies to the planet. In this course, we'll dive into cells, DNA, evolution, anatomy, and much more. All explained clearly, visually, and in just a few minutes per video. So hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let us know in the comments which topic you'd love to explore next. It might be our next episode.